All fishing lovers are always looking forward to their next fishing adventure. These are the moments in life that they enjoy the most. The bright sun, beautiful nature, and the lake full of fish just ready to be caught. But a fishing adventure wouldn't be complete without all the equipment. That's why we'll talk about the 7 best fishing gear in today's video that you can get on Amazon. So, welcome to Unitro Digital, the best YouTube channel for techies. Before we start, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to stay updated on all our latest and most intriguing content. Now, let's dive into the topic. Fishing is a very pleasant way to enjoy the great outdoors. Whether you want to go fishing with your family or friends or catch yourself some dinner, you'll be taking part in a calm and satisfying activity. The wonderful scenery paired with beautiful wet weather makes for a great fishing experience. That is, until rainfall hits. Then it just becomes about you rowing back to the shore as quickly as possible to avoid getting drenched, and there is nothing pleasant about that. Herein, you will require the best gear for fishing. With the right fishing gear, you will be ready to catch those incredible aquatic animals. So, let's get started on our list. Number 7. KastKing Speed Demon Pro Fishing Pliers. When you pull out your bait from the water, what could be better than the plier to release it from the hook? That's when the KastKing Speed Demon Pro Fishing Pliers will get you covered. It comes with both 7.5 and 8.5 inches player bullets, made from highly corrosion-resistant Teflon-coated stainless steel, making it robust and highly suitable for saltwater fishing. The multifunctional jaw and hook remover allows you to trim a wire leader, grab it and remove the hook, and cut a tag in as close to the knot as you want. It lets you do a lot more without any obstructions. Its soft grip handle with spring-loaded jaws is designed for easy one-hand use and provides a non-slip grip. Its custom-molded sheet with belt clip protects your investment from normal wear and tear. In addition, the coiled lanyard ensures your pliers don't fall overboard. To sum things up, the benefits of KastKing Speed Team and pro fishing players make it an excellent investment to be considered as fishing gear. Number 6. Columbia Drainmaker IV. When you're exploring the wet territory, uneven ground, or working on your boat deck, the Columbia Drainmaker for water shoes will be a stable piece of gear. With various sizes, this pair of shoes are built from high-quality materials, including open mesh and synthetic upper. It provides you with added functionality and all-day comfort seamlessly. Its lace closure to lead versus snug feet, while the lightweight midsole provides long-lasting comfort with superior cushioning for impact absorption and high-energy return. In addition, this midsole has airflow and water-drainable midsole ports to ensure your toes stay safe and dry. Finally, its OmniGrip non-marking wet grip outsole with razor sleeping delivers advanced red grip in every challenging environment. In short, weighing at 11.75 ounces, the Columbia Drainmaker IV combines additional durability, functionality, and comfort. Number 5. YETI Hopper Flip 12. When needing to keep bait, food, and drinks fresh for as long as you'll be fishing, grab the YETI Hopper Flip 12. A beautifully crafted sock cooler that'll be a fantastic addition to your fishing gear collection. With an 11.7-liter hauling capacity, its outer shell is made from high-density fabric, waterproof and resistant to mildew, punctures, and ultraviolet rays. It is a soft cooler, and its liner is made from an FDA-approved food-grade material. At the same time, its closed silicone rubber foam offers a far superior insulation than ordinary side coolers. Finally, its wide flip top opens you with leak-proof Hydrolog zipper allows easy loading and access where you can store up to 12 cans and ice cubes pretty easily. The cooler has a tree carrying holder and a wide ergonomic shoulder strap that lets you carry your refreshments in comfort no matter where you go fishing. In short, the YETI Hopper is the toughest, highest performing waterproof and leak-proof soft cooler in the world. Friends, I hope you're enjoying this video. Now press the icon bell to subscribe to the channel Unitro Digital. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Your feedback is very important to us, so keep an eye on things. Number 4. Wild River Tackle Tech Nomad Backpack. Great fishing means many accessories in keeping your essentials safe and secure while fishing. Wild River comes with the TackleTech Nomad backpack. This versatile backpack has more than enough storage capacity where you can organize all your necessary fishing gear, including reels, lines, gloves, trays, and others, efficiently. In addition, it has a dedicated chamber for your shades and a handy work surface in front with an integrated LED light system. It even has an LED light inside the backpack that provides essential illumination when natural light gets scarce. This fishing backpack features a protective rain cover so that it can be quickly deployed to keep your tackle backpack content safe. Its large adjustable padded shoulder straps and added sternum strap makes the carrying experience super comfortable while keeping your back and shoulders sweat-free. No matter if you're a beginner or a professional angler, if you have the TackleTech Nomad backpack along with you, then you can experiment with remarkable fishing adventures for sure. Number 3. Shimano Vanford F. An angler knows the importance of a fishing reel as it can enhance the chances of baiting. So we would like to introduce the event from F from Shimano. Its CI4 Plus body is constructed with highly technical carbon material that improves lightness and rigidity so that you can hunt for game confidently. The new design of the Magnum Light rotor produces unprecedented light rotation so that you can experience improved balance, increased sensitivity, and smoothness. Its Higgins gear and micro module give you the long-lasting smoothness and pleasure that you would want to feel from a reel. Both are also combined to deliver tremendous strength and enhanced durability on the fishing time. The Shimano Vanford F can be your ultimate fishing gear if you want to upgrade because it's the most technical and advanced spinning reel of its class. Number 2. St. Croix Mojo Inshore Spinning Rod. Done with the reel, now add the St. Croix Mojo fishing rod to your fishing arsenal because it's designed and built for superior performance at an affordable price tag. It's built upon premium quality carbon-fortified resin system and integrated polycurve mandrel technology to provide outstanding sensitivity to handle tougher saltwater predators without sacrificing the necessary strength. It can stand up to harsh corrosive environments since it's fitted with a Sea Guide here high grid guides with thin aluminum oxide rings and stainless gunmetal frames. Its comfortable contour handle with EVA and cork are combined to ensure that you can maintain a strong grip on your fishing rod. Overall, the St. Croix Mojo fishing rod is re-engineered to meet the demands of ensuring anglers while utilizing a blend of technologies for a beautiful user experience. Number 1. Garmin Striker Cast. For near photographic images with detailed representations of objects, structures, and fish, take the Garmin Striker Cast with you on your fishing trips. It works in every water, and once you turn on the fish icon, you can view graphic images of the fish with a depth rating, so you know exactly where to drop your line, and you can use it to check water temperature as well. You can easily select to intercept, traditional 2 disowner, and ice fishing flasher modes, setting adjustments for gain range, and more. You can also use the Garmin Quick Draw community to download the best fishing spots. In fact, it operates with a Striker Cast app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android platforms. Its USB rechargeable battery lets you go on for more than 10 hours on a single charge and save battery life. In addition, the cast can automatically power on when it's floating in the water and turn off when it's not. Last but not least, this durable yet live solar device is built to last and easily to cast as it features water-resistant to IPX6 and IPX7 standards. So guys, there are plenty of fancy tools and computerized gadgets that promise to make everything from finding fish to reeling them in to weighing and filleting your catch easier. In all the excitement of picking out gear, it is easy to forget that you need to take safety into account before a fishing trip. With hooks, knives, and nature, accidents can happen while you are out on the water, so be sure to keep a first aid kit on hand just in case. We always crave to learn more, so if you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion. What's your favorite fishing gear that makes your trip enjoyable? Let us know in the comment section below. So, that was all about the 7 best fishing gear on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Thanks for checking into Unitro Digital. We'll see you again soon. Have fun.